Everyone loves shiny and new. Broken in just right. That feels pretty good too. But over the years, things wear out, and that's tough, yet it happens. Good thing is, you can make your most prized possessions good as new even when parts wear out. Like your Subaru. Remember your first miles with it? You can have that feeling all the time. When your Subaru needs maintenance or repair, we recommend only the original genuine Subaru parts. They help restore that perfect fit and finish, like you just drove off the line. All of your road adventures, and even your daily commutes, wear on parts like brakes and rotors, cause fluids to lose their protective properties, and gradually clog filters, so they need replacement. Without routine checkups and maintenance, worn parts can affect the safety and performance of your Subaru. Genuine Subaru parts provide reliability and the proper fit to help keep your vehicle performing as it should. Some aftermarket parts may cost less in the short term, but may cause costly damages and repairs in the long term because they don't always match the material quality, specifications, and testing that our original parts do. Our unique Boxer engine design, symmetrical all-wheel drive, and vehicles with eyesight are calibrated to operate correctly with genuine Subaru parts, so don't take chances. When it's time for service, visit your local Subaru retailer. Our certified factory-trained technicians will take care of your vehicle using the correct tools designed for Subaru, so keep the things you care about going strong. We're here to help. Make it last. Love. It's what makes a Subaru a Subaru.